sharing. Thank you for trying to be the best you can, holding on to the rest you had. Now the silence got in the way, and the thoughts got clear in my head. I know it's time to think for myself, time to live for myself. And I know it's still kind of sad to let time make you lose what you feel. I just landed in another atmosphere. I'm just floating in a stained steel sphere. I bet you with questions like where I come from now. I come from that place that left 10 light years ago. Years ago, years ago, years ago. I do my flows and then I get so lost. Life just takes my spheres to go, spheres to go, spheres to go, spheres to go. On top of the pyramids. I've thrifted the last couple trips. So the first one is this vintage Nike Tour de France t-shirt. It has Lance Armstrong on there, and this tag. I've never seen this shirt before, so yeah, fire. Got that. We got this it's like a zip up
It's kind of like a jersey type thing. It has like a nice little cool little patch right there. But it's kind of fire. Like a little zip up joint. The back is blank. So got that. And then the same day we got this Nike Sport t-shirt. I've never seen anything like this either. But this is a tag. Yeah, got that. And then from today I got this vintage Nike tee tag. Embroidered logo. And then I got just a long sleeve Carhartt shirt. The last two items, I got this vintage Veggie Tales t-shirt. Like, this is fire. This is the back. I want to keep it for myself, but I don't know, it's kind of big. But yeah, I found this. And then the last item is the one that I showed. Did I show it? I think I showed it like quickly in the store. It's this vintage Nike windbreaker jacket. There's a tag, obviously, and blah, blah. I thought the sleeve was cool, too, because it has Nike spelled out, and it has, like, a little zip pocket. Got that. And that's all of the items that I got the past couple days.